Hello, Marlena.
Hi, how are you?
Good. You've been through a lot the past couple years,
Yes.
and it's my pleasure to finally bring your case to a conclusion and give you a large paycheck, settlement check to compensate you for your pain and suffering. You told me that you wanted to let people know what your experience was with this office. Could you start just by telling how you found us?
Sure. I went to my doctor's office and not knowing what the right path to go, they actually suggested to speak with you, John Elmore's office, and I reached out. I won't lie, I was very nervous, I was very apprehensive, and the moment that we spoke on the phone, I felt like I was speaking to a friend like that I've known for months or years, and I knew right then that I would definitely have someone on my side, so I just said, let's do it, and we started this crazy journey together.
Okay, and then we were able to help you with your lost wages.
Yes, that was definitely huge because with my injuries, from the herniated and bulging disc that I had to endure, that I'm still, working through, there's no way that I would have been able to support myself, nor would my husband. So the fact that I was able to get those wages made the mental, emotional, spiritual healing, that I was able to take care of that first versus being stressed out about the finances. So that not even being on the table, I didn't even have to stress about it once at all. If I had a question, you guys were there within like minutes or seconds to answer my questions.
There were times when you called me as late as 11 at night, right?
Yeah, I called you late at night, and I remember leaving an email. I think it probably may have been 1 o'clock in the morning, and you called me right, I think maybe 5 seconds after I hit send, you called me, and you were just like, if this is important, call my office right away in the morning, and I will get right back to you, no joke. Literally right when you opened, you called me and just checked in, and it was a question about the lost wages, and it was handled. So it was like, 3 seconds of no pain.
How'd you like our staff here?
Your staff, definitely, from walking through the doors to the unbelievable reception to your paralegal, Sean, I was treated with respect, dignity. If I was nervous, I was reassured before I got off the phone or left the office. And I honestly felt like I was dealing with my peers, that it wasn't like I was walking into a legal setting, that there was no stress on my part. There was no judgment. I just felt like I was coming in to being taken care of. And when I walked out, it was like, okay, let's get on with my day. And that's behind me.
That's good. Now, we had two legal actions. One was against the insurance company for the car that injured you.
Yes.
And we got you a nice settlement for that. And then, but that car didn't have enough insurance to cover your injury, so we were able to get you additional money, which we're giving you today.
Yes.
It's called underinsurance, is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
That's huge. I mean, with the bills that I have incurred and the ones that I continue to incur with, different insurance things that are going on my end, it again makes the process as far as paying bills and making sure we can stay afloat, it makes it stress-free. So for all that, my husband and I are unbelievably grateful. So at least I can say I can focus on myself for at least like the next 6 months to a year.
And we want to thank you for choosing this law firm. You could have hired anybody else.
I wouldn't have.
It's been a pleasure getting to know you.
Yes.
And actually, over time we grow to know each other very well and have a friendship that will be long lasting.
I agree. I definitely think this is more than just, a legal relationship. I consider us friends. Not many people are my friends, so I consider you my friends, a good friend for sure.
And we got to know your husband, a real nice guy.
He's a keeper. He's the love of my life, and the fact that you explained not only to me, but you also explained to him what was going on, and he had questions that I didn't even think of. So it was really nice to have somebody not only, address the concerns of myself, but also address the concerns of my husband without even wavering or questioning, like, his motives. So, it was awesome.
All right. Well, thank you, and we want to wish you the best of luck, and we'll be seeing you soon when the weather's nice.
Yes. Looking forward to that summer, for sure.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Sweet.